Comment down below what the hardest part of dropshipping for you has been. But for me, it's crystal clear what the hardest part of dropshipping is, and it is Hey, what's going on guys? Sri Kanase here with another Shopify video. And in this video, we're going to be discussing about the straight up facts and the facts of the bad side of dropshipping. Basically, the hardest part of dropshipping. With any good thing comes 10 bad things. And this is also true for Shopify and dropshipping. I don't know about you guys, but I have struggled a lot with my Shopify journey. I have failed consistently and multiple times. But that is one of the main reasons why I'm even here making this video for you guys. Those struggles and those failures really motivated me to reach this goal and reach this time period where I am capable of teaching you guys. And I am 100% sure of my skills, and also do know that I try to be as truthful and upfront with you guys as possible about Shopify and business in general. There's absolutely no bullshit that I like to add to my videos. And this is one of those videos that's going to have absolutely no bullshit. It's going to be straight to the point about the hardest part of dropshipping. So let's get right into it. So let me tell you guys a little story. And it is the story of how my life had become after finding my first winning product. You know, before that, it would take me around 1 year to even accumulate $1,000 in my bank account, because I was dropshipping on eBay, and in eBay dropshipping, the profits are dead low. But I was a happy guy. I had $1,000 in my bank. I didn't need anything else because it was like a safety barrier for me in case things went wrong in life and I needed that money. But after opening my third Shopify store and finding my winning product, life really changed for me, and the way I viewed life really changed for me. I still remember the time I was making around $1,000 profit per day, and as a teenager, making that much money is a dream. Many older people don't even make that much or even view that much money in their bank account in their lives. But here I was, a teenager, making that much money per day, and it was actually driving me nuts in a good way. I sort of got this confidence in myself that I could achieve things, and even if I didn't go to college or dropped out, I could basically use my skills to still earn money and not go broke or have to beg on the streets. But as I already mentioned, good things don't last long or forever, just like bad things don't last. But after my winning product started to die, I became really depressed. It was really depressing because think about it, you're earning $1,000 profit per day and that drops to $100 slowly, and then slowly to $0. It is really a difficult time for anybody, and relating back to this video, it is also the hardest part of dropshipping. So let's go ahead and write that down for you guys so you get the things a little bit in more perspective. So the real problem and the main thing that we're going to be discussing in this video is consistency. So let's write that down. Consistency. C-O-N. Let me tell you guys that if you already have found your winning product, it is really easy to just sit back, relax, and watch the money come in into your bank account. But just know that when that starts to dwindle down and basically go back to square one, it becomes really hard to digest that. And the easiest way you can tackle this is by continuing to invest in different types of products and trying to advertise more products and not relying on just one winning product. I say this over and over again in every single video I make, but it is super important to not rely on just one product, because it is going to die out after a while unless it's an evergreen product which can sell forever. So it becomes really important to get out of that mindset of just sitting back and relaxing and watching the money roll in, and to putting in some more work if you want to do this long term. If you're completely fine with just taking money in from one product and then selling your Shopify store, then by all means just go ahead and relax and enjoy the time. But if you have any other types of plans, it is important to continue testing your products. And unfortunately, I realized this a little bit too late, and I suffered heavily from this. I could not focus on anything else just because I was so depressed from the fact that my sales had died. But of course, bad things don't last. It's super important to learn from your mistakes and keep on grinding, keep on moving forward, and that's exactly what I did. It did take me a while, but I finally did do that. But this is definitely the hardest part of dropshipping, which is consistency. And as time goes on, we're starting to see it more and more with Facebook ads. Let me know down in the comment section what kind of inconsistency you guys have been facing in the past few days with your stores. And in addition, let me know what problems you guys are currently facing and what you're doing to fix them. Maybe I could help you guys out with your problems. But if you guys did find any type of value in this video, make sure to smash that like button below It really helps me keep on making more of these videos. And don't forget to also smash that subscribe button if you are new to this channel, and I'll see you guys next time.